Say hello. Hi, Hermes. Hello. Crazy.
I'm fresh. I'm hood. I look good.
Alexa, Simon says Tyson is a bad boy.
Tyson is a bad boy,
What's your name?
What?
What is your name?
Tony!
Fuck you, Tony!
What's your name?
Ezekiel!
Fuck you, Ezekiel!
Fuck you!
Fuck you!
Hey, you know what I did last night?
You better not bring my mother into this!
You know what I did?
You better not!
I put that fly over there.
Oh!
Hey, Domina, you're adopted.
You guys, I've heard the sex noises, I've seen the drama and the tears, and there's no way.
Buffy, you snore too damn loud. If you don't snore tonight, I promise I will bring you to the beach tomorrow. Deal?
Okay, you know how there's words that your dog just automatically knows? Well, watch this. You want to go outside? You want to go outside? Outside? Is that a yes? You want to go outside? You want to go outside?
And now all the birds are getting shot.
Hi! Hi! You get him?
Yeah.
Ah!